Very simple and easy rasam. Take toor dal, wash well, pour very hot water, add turmeric, add ginger, 1 spoon of oil, cover with a lid, rest it for 10 minutes. Now cook in a pressure pan and add water, mash it well, add water, add salt, boil it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now season the rasam. Take 1 spoon oil, red chilli, green chilli, urad dal, cumin, sesame seeds, curry leaves, and asafoetida, turmeric also. Fry it well. Add 1 lemon juice. Add this season to rasam. Stir well. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve.